How do we attain holistic health? Holistic health is becoming increasingly popular in the world that we're living in as people are recognizing, hey, we need to focus on the entire picture and not breaking things up in individual pieces. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to attain holistic health. So if you haven't already watched my video, what is holistic health? I'll link that up here and put that also in the description box. That's a great place to start. Figure out what is holistic health in the first place, because before we start to attain something, we want to know what it is. So if you haven't checked that out already, check that out and then pop back to this video. Now, if you watched that video already, welcome back. How do we attain holistic health? The basic picture and the first question for you is, what is your goal? Ultimately, what is your goal? Because that idea of holistic health or health in general is going to depend on each individual and what your goal is. Because if you tell me, hey, for me to feel good and my goal is to be 190 pounds of lean muscle, or my goal is to lose 40 pounds, those are two different goals. Or maybe it's to just have the clear energy and not be tired throughout your day. So first question for you is, what is your goal? What is your goal? What's your goal? What are you working towards? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to be? And from there, we recognize that, hey, everybody's definition of health and vitality is going to be a little bit different. But in my personal view, when I think of achieving holistic health, I think that I am balanced in mind, body, and spirit. I have healthy relationships. I have good energy. I have great digestion. I sleep well. I wake up energized. I'm able to move my body in all sorts of ways that align with the lifestyle I want to live. I'm happy, I'm healthy, and I'm free to go about the world how I see fit. And for me, somebody, as you can see, I got my big grow set up here. It's winter as I'm recording this in Boston, Massachusetts. I love gardening and I love moving my body. I like hiking, I like swimming, I like rock climbing, doing all these physical things with my body, getting outside, getting my hands dirty. So for me, if I can hike, if I can rock climb, if I can garden, if I can swim and have energy, wake up, feel great and achieve that and have a healthy, happy relationship because my thoughts are on point. Again, when we talk about holistic health, we want to look at all the facets: moving, thinking, breathing, nutrition, hydration, sleep. Are we getting enough sunshine? Are we breathing fresh air? How are the toxins coming in? Are we exposed to electromagnetic frequencies? So when we look at all these individual pieces, pair that with our goal, pair that with the lifestyle we want to live, that is going to be a little bit different for everybody. But for you, that's going to change every single day. Well, maybe not every single day, but it's going to be changing pretty often. My goal in terms of my ultimate goal for my health usually changes about every 6 to 12 months because I grow and I have new experiences that change my perception of the world, change the direction I'm going. And yeah, the main goal is to have my own homestead where I'm growing much of my own food and able to live off the land, be able to be outside, be able to move my body, and be able to be connected with people that I love and care about and grow, connect, share, serve, learn, expand. Those are all great. And I got to be healthy to do that. So to attain holistic health, we want to start with the basics. How can we master the basics? Master the basics of moving. And for that, I say, hey, let's walk more. One of my buddies, he always says, the fastest way to improve your health is to double your steps. So I got this Aura ring here. It helps me hold myself accountable. I go for at least 10,000 steps a day. Some days it's more, but that's my minimum. And that to me is a great way to get some movement in. For me right now, my minimum workout is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That may change at some point in the future. I'm sure it will. And anything in between there. I'm doing strength training Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then I'm doing some cardio mix in there, but I'm walking every single day. We talk about breathing. How are my breathing patterns? Getting the basics. We want to stick to the basics because we master the basics. We don't need all these fancy tips, tricks, and tools. We want to start with the basics, and then we can get into things like supplements. Then we get into things like biohacking tools. But for the beginning, we want to master the basics. Mastering the basics of breathing, mastering the basics of moving, mastering the basics of thinking, because that's where a lot of this all stems from, is our mindset, nutrition, hydration, sleep. So like I shared before, I go deeper on all these subjects on individual videos, and you can tune that in here by subscribing to the channel, liking this page, and checking out some of the videos that we have here. You can search for a lot of the different stuff I've got some different podcasts on water, breathing, nutrition, you name it. So check out the channel here. I appreciate the support. If you can subscribe here, check out the next video on this page here, and let's keep it going. Hope this helps. Have the best day ever. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you soon.